Hello and welcome you all. Today in this video we'll do some more questions which are based on relations and functions. Students, our first question for today is find the range of the real function fx which is equal to 1 minus modulus of x minus 2. So according to this question, we know that the modulus function which is x minus 2 is always greater than equals to 0 for every x belongs to real number. So as you can see that the coefficient of modulus of x minus 2 is minus of 1. So when we multiply minus on both sides, the sign of inequality will get changed. Therefore, greater than equal to will become less than equal to. And now when we add 1 on both sides, we get 1 minus modulus of x minus 2 less than equals to 1. So as you can see that 1 minus modulus of x minus 2 is our function fx. So therefore student, from here we get fx which is less than equal to 1. Hence the range of our function f will be equals to minus infinity comma 1 in closed interval. And now our second question for today is find the range of the real function fx which is equal to 1 plus 3 cos 2x. So before going through this question, first I want to tell you that the maximum value of sin x, or we can say the range of sin x, is equal to minus 1 comma 1 in closed interval. So from here the maximum value of sine function is plus 1 and the minimum value of sine function is minus 1. And also the range of cos function equal to minus 1 comma 1 in closed interval. Here also maximum value of cos function is 1 and minimum value of cos function is minus 1. And the range of the remaining trigonometric function, we will study it on later on. So as per our question, since we know that the range of cos function which is from minus 1 to 1 in closed interval for every x belongs to real number. Therefore student, we can write it as minus 1 less than equal to cos 2x and less than equals to 1. So according to our question, the coefficient of cos 2x is 3. So when we multiply both sides by 3, we get minus 1 into 3 is minus 3, which is less than equals to 3 cos 2x, and this is less than equals to 1 into 3 which is equal to 3. And now we will add 1 on both sides. So we get 1 minus 3 less than equal to 1 plus 3 cos 2x less than equals to 1 plus 3. So from here student, we get minus 2 less than equal to 1 plus 3 cos 2x which is less than equal to 4. And we know that 1 plus 3 cos 2x is nothing but our function fx. Therefore student, the range of our function f will be equal to minus 2 comma 4 in closed interval. And now our third question for today is find the range of the function fx which is equal to 1 upon 2 minus sine 3x. So as I have already told you that the range of sine function is from minus 1 to 1 in closed interval. Therefore student, according to our question, the range of sine 3x function will also be equal to minus 1 comma 1 in closed interval. So from here we can write this as minus 1 less than equal to sine 3x and less than equal to 1. So according to our function, the coefficient of sine 3x is minus. So when we multiply minus on both sides, the sign of inequality will get changed. Therefore, less than equal to will now become greater than equal to. So from here student, we get minus 1 into minus 1. So plus 1 which is greater than equal to minus sine 3x and greater than equal to minus of 1. And now when we add 2 on both sides, we get 1 plus 2 which is greater than equal to 2 minus sine 3x, and this is greater than equal to minus 1 plus 2. So from here student, on solving it, we get 2 plus 1 which is equal to 3, and this is greater than equal to 2 minus sine 3x which is greater than equal to 1. And now we will take reciprocal on both sides, or we can say by taking inverse on both sides. So again sign of inequality will get changed. Therefore student, we get 1 upon 3 less than equal to 1 upon 2 minus sine 3x which is less than equal to 1. And we know that 1 upon 2 minus sine 3x is nothing but our function fx. Therefore student, the range of our function f will be equal to 1 upon 3 comma 1 in closed interval. And now our fourth question for today is find the domain of each of the following function given by fx which is equal to 1 upon square root of x minus modulus function x. So as we know that the modulus function x is equal to plus x for x greater than 0 and minus x for x is less than 0. So therefore student, we know that the denominator, which is x minus mod x, should not be equal to 0, because if it is 0, then our function will become undefined. So for x greater than 0, the denominator, which is x minus mod x, and we know that for x is greater than 0, our modulus function x will be equal to x. Therefore from here we get x minus x, which is greater than 0, or we can say 0 is greater than 0, which is absurd. Or we can say that function fx is not defined for any x belongs to a real number. And now case 2, when the value of x is less than 0. So from here student, the denominator, which is x minus mod x, is less than 0, and we know that when x is less than 0, our modulus function x will gives us minus of x. So therefore student, we get x minus minus of x is less than 0. We get x plus x, which is 2x, and this is less than 0. So from here we get x is less than 0. So here we know that x is always negative, and we cannot put negative values in place of x, such that if we put negative values, then our function fx will become complex number. And here also, again, our function fx is not defined for any x belongs to real number. Therefore student, the domain of this function f will be equal to 5. And now practice this below question, mention on your screen, and submit me the solution. So this is the end of this video. Thank you so much and have a great day ahead.